What is going on, guys? My name is Blade, and I don't know if you guys actually know, but yeah, I play with butterfly knives. I mean, come on, my name is Blade. Why not? But today I got a package, and as long as I know, this package should actually be another trainer butterfly knife. That means one like this, with the holes in it. If you're wondering why there's holes in it, it's if you sharpen it, you can't actually sharpen it, or else the holes will get in the way and it won't actually become sharp. Probably the only part you can sharpen is the tip. But yeah, I actually buy real ones, but I just don't want to get cut, so I always like tape the blade knife, because you know what, I don't want to get cut, because that would be really bad. Same with this one, but I taped that one too. But yeah, I actually have 4 butterfly knives here. So, but yeah, I'm about to have a 5th one. So let's get into this video. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. Here's the box. Yeah. So I got this off of Amazon. Here's the knife right here. And I really wanted a blue one because, you know, I thought it'd be really cool. Like, these are the only ones that are colored that I like, but they're not trainers. I got that one and this one. Those ones are just plain black trainers. I decided I wanted a color for once, so I decided to go with the blue one. But yeah, let's see what it looks like. It's this way. Alright, yeah, so cool. It comes with a little package, like not package, but like a holder. Whoa. And I guess we'll open it. So boom, nice. It's actually blue. That's so cool. Oh wow, okay. This is awesome. So yeah, you can definitely tell the difference between these two. About the same. This one's a little taller, but that's okay. Let's see. Okay, cool. This is spring loaded. This is one of the cool things I like. It's actually spring loaded. So like this one's not. It's just you just put it in. You can't spring load it out. Just have to pull it out. The cool thing I like about spring loads is you don't have to open it here. You just squeeze the handle and it comes right out. So that's cool. So I guess we'll see the knife right now. It's super cold. So boom. That's so cool. So this is gonna probably be the knife edge, because with all my butterfly knives I have right now, this is the safe handle, or basically the handle you would hold so you won't get cut. Like, this is called the bite handle, because if you move it you'll get cut. But yeah, I'm gonna have this warm up a little bit, maybe do some couple of tricks, and I'll get to you. But so far this knife is super cool. So let's get into a cool little trick montage. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you a little problem, not with the knife itself. So as you've seen, I just unboxed it. I'm gonna say, when you first get a butterfly knife, don't get like mad or anything when it doesn't work right away as you want it to. This one you just have to work in the butterfly knife, because every once in a while you catch it like that, and if that was a real one, you would really cut your hand. So yeah, so I'm gonna work this knife in real quick, and I'll get to you in a second. See ya. So I've been playing with this knife for about 2 days now. Really fun knife. I like it a lot. You know, I was really surprised on how blue it actually was compared to the picture, as you can see. Yeah, I thought it was not going to be as blue. I thought it was going to be like a silvery type of blue, where you could tell it was blue, but it was like a cool silver. But I really like how it was like really nice blue. But yeah, so I got it broken in, and you know, it's really good. Except one thing is the lock. It was a spring lock, except now it just doesn't lock anymore. As you can see, like it goes in and then it just won't lock. Same with the back here, it won't lock. But if I put it in and just like pull it apart like that, it will lock, but then a couple seconds later it won't. But other than that, I say it's really fun.
It ain't my fault.